Welcome to Chair Tai Chi for a healthy spine. Today, we'll enjoy a gentle seated Tai Chi practice designed to help your spine move more freely. These slow, mindful movements help improve posture, encourage spinal mobility, release everyday stiffness, and leave your body feeling lighter and more relaxed. Get a chair, place both feet on the floor, take a slow breath in, and let's begin. Roll your shoulders slowly, lift, roll back, and relax. Let the movement flow with your breathing. Imagine creating more space across your chest and upper back. Now gently lift your shoulders toward your ears and relax them down. Release any unnecessary tension. Keep breathing naturally. Turn your head slowly from side to side. Stay within a comfortable range of motion. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders and let your breath guide every movement. We're gently loosening the neck and easing tension in the cervical spine. If you feel any discomfort, simply make the movement smaller. Bring one ear gently toward your shoulder. Keep the opposite shoulder relaxed. Allow the muscles around your neck and upper back to soften. Take a deep breath. This is a great stretch to reduce tensions in your shoulders and your neck. Lower your chin toward your chest. Take a slow, deep breath in and breathe out slowly. Then slowly lift your chin and look toward the ceiling. And take another deep breath. Keep moving gently back and forth. You should feel a gentle stretch in the back of your neck. Only move as far as feels comfortable. If you feel any discomfort, simply make the movement smaller. Cross your arms over your chest. Gently rotate your upper body to one side. Take a deep breath. Return to the center, then turn to the other side. And take another slow, deep breath. This gentle twist helps maintain flexibility in your spine, improves posture, and makes everyday movements feel easier. Place one hand across the opposite thigh. Gently rotate your upper body to one side. Take a deep breath. Return to the center, then turn to the other side, and take another slow, deep breath. This gentle twist helps maintain flexibility in your spine, improves posture, and makes everyday movements feel easier. Reach one arm overhead. Lengthen through your side body. Return to the center. Same movement with the other arm. Take another slow, deep breath. Slow and comfortable is always better than forcing. Keep your arm lifted. Slowly reach across your body toward the opposite knee. Take a deep breath. And another one. And one more. Then return to the center and repeat on the other side. This diagonal stretch improves flexibility through your sides, shoulders, and upper back, while encouraging better spinal mobility. Raise your right arm overhead. As you lean gently to the left, breathe in slowly. As you return to the center, breathe out. Use your core muscles to control the movement. Continue moving smoothly, letting your breath guide each movement. Repeat on the other side. Raise your left arm overhead. Inhale as you lean to the side. Exhale as you return to the center. This movement opens the side of your rib cage, helping you breathe more deeply and comfortably. Cross your right foot over your left foot. Gently fold forward and reach toward the floor with your fingertips. Stay here for a few breaths and let your body relax. Take a slow, deep breath in and breathe out slowly. Stay relaxed and let each breath help you release a little more tension. This stretch gently lengthens your back, hips, and the muscles along the back of your legs. Bring your right knee up and hold it with both hands. Gently pull it toward your chest. Let your shoulders relax. Hold the position without straining. Breathe in as you lift your knee. Breathe out as you gently draw it closer to your chest. Then continue taking slow, relaxed breaths while you hold the position. This stretch helps improve hip mobility while gently relieving tension in your lower back. Straighten your right leg and keep your heel on the floor. Gently lean forward toward your knee until you feel a comfortable stretch along the back of your leg. Take a slow breath in. As you breathe out, gently relax into the stretch. Continue breathing slowly and naturally while you hold the position. You should feel a gentle stretch, never pain. Good job. Now let's switch to the left side. This time, place your left foot in front of your right. Gently lean forward until you feel a comfortable stretch. Stay here for a few slow, deep breaths and let your body soften into the position. Only bend as far as feels comfortable. You don't need to reach the floor. Everyone's flexibility is different, and a gentle stretch is all you need. Bring your left knee up and hold it with both hands. Gently pull it toward your chest. Let your shoulders relax. Hold the position without straining. Breathe in as you lift your knee. Breathe out as you gently draw it closer to your chest. Then continue taking slow, relaxed breaths while you hold the position. Straighten your left leg and rest your heel on the floor. Lean forward gently, stopping as soon as you feel a comfortable stretch. Hold the position and take a few slow, deep breaths. You may notice that one side feels tighter than the other. That's completely normal. We all have natural differences in flexibility. Simply work within a comfortable range and you'll do fine. Keep your hands beside your ears. Take a nice deep breath in. Gently curl your spine forward, letting your head relax as you breathe out. Then slowly lift your chest, lengthen your spine, and look slightly upward as you breathe in. Let your breathing guide the movement. Moving gently between rounding and opening your back helps improve spinal mobility and posture. Let's end the session with a few gentle shoulder rolls. Breathe slowly, let your back relax, and allow your spine to feel long and loose. Now gently lift your shoulders toward your ears and relax them down. Take one last deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Well done today. I hope you enjoyed today's practice. If you'd like to continue, I have a complete chair Tai Chi workout for stillborn belly fat, ideal for seniors and beginners who want to strengthen their core. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gentle exercises, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.